Welcome back to Will It Read, hosted by Infrrd Intelligent Document Processing, where we try to stump our AI-driven machine learning first solution by asking it to extract from the most complex kinds of documents. I'm Teresa, and my colleague here with me today is Rahul. The documents we are reviewing today are actually images of interiors and exteriors of houses. These images are sometimes part of a property listing, and they are also a huge part of the appraisal process. Mortgage companies usually get a huge volume of these images that have information about how the property looks. Is it modern looking? What kind of appliances does it have? And so on. Lenders also need to view these images to find out properties that are trashed or under construction. This can help them prioritize spending their resources on better properties. Real estate listing websites also need to extract data from these pictures so they can enrich the listings with more detailed information. For instance, this kitchen has stainless steel appliances, an island in the middle, and so on. This would normally be done by a person, which can be very time-consuming. Well, as we all know, the cost of bad data is bad decisions. So let's see. Will it read? Okay, Rahul, how about we search Google to see if we can find some property images? What do you think?
Sure, let's do it. Go on Google. So you want to start with kitchens?
Yeah, that'd be a good
Let's
place.
look. Okay. Kitchen sample images. And I'm going to go to images and let's maybe look for, sure, I wish my kitchen looked this clean and beautiful.
I know. Mine too.
Sure. Yeah, this looks like yeah, let's try this one.
Let's go for it. That's a great one.
I'm gonna, because it has a kitchen island, it has a stove, countertop, cabinets. So I'm gonna copy this image URL. So we can either upload an image or we can just paste the URL and submit.
Oh, that's cool.
All right. Yeah. Cool. So as part of this image processing capability that we have, a lot of real estate companies and mortgage customers who want to appraise properties and look at the condition of the property and figure out what type of room this is, they use this technology. So in this one, it says the condition is excellent, and we also generate a score. And then we tell you that with 98% probability that this is a kitchen. And of course, there is some chances that could be laundry room or bathroom, depending on something that it could find. But the highest probability score is for a kitchen.
Got it.
Yeah. Okay, let's maybe run a couple of more kitchen properties or images of kitchen. This is too small. Yeah, let's look at this one.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah. This time I'm going to save the image and I'm going to upload that image instead.
So how does the probability score differ from a confidence score?
I mean, it's the same. We just call it probability score. Specifically for properties, we came up with a probability score because sometimes two rooms can look very similar. So let's upload this example and maybe I can explain it with this. So in this case, again, our condition is excellent and the room type is 99.9% probability that this is a kitchen. Confidence score is where, like, if you upload a document where we know what type of field we expect from a document. For instance, if we are processing a W-2, there is an employer name, we can say that with highest possible confidence, this is an employer. When it comes to processing images, since this uploaded image could be anything, we generate a probability score instead of we call it a probabilistic score instead of a confidence score. So that's the only technical difference. But a lot of this data points can be used to use as a confidence score as well.
Awesome.
Okay, so in this case, yeah, the property condition shows up as excellent, and room type is kitchen with the highest probability score. I can take a picture of my kitchen. It'll say the condition is probably bad. I'm just kidding.
Same
Let
for
me,
mine.
yeah, let me find a kitchen in bad shape. Okay. I don't know. This will just give us good insights into what a kitchen in bad shape might look like.
That's not too far off from mine.
I mean, this is in still pretty good shape. Okay.
That'd be interesting to see because that's almost tricky just looking at it to decide what kind of
Yeah,
that is. That could be a bathroom, I guess the refrigerator, but
right. Let's see if it can figure out whether this is a kitchen. I mean, it's a good test because a lot of our customers can get random images. So in this case, we generated that its room type is kitchen for sure, but we were not able to figure out the condition. But it still says it's a kitchen. I can run a couple of more examples before we can move on to our next topic. Maybe let me run this one and see
great.
what this looks like, what we get. This doesn't seem like a kitchen. There's a water heater too, which is weird.
I think my college house I lived in had a water heater and
Yeah,
kitchen. Oh, interesting.
yeah,
Well,
yeah.
it knows
So
it's bad quality.
yeah, it says poor quality, and it says it with the highest confidence. And also in this case, we also generated some image tags. Again, some customers need this, some do not. But we generate these three insights when you upload an image of a property or a room. Like what are the different components that we could find? Now it identified a heat pump, like a furnace, probably. That this could be a furnace room because there was a water heater there. There's a dishwasher, there's some storage space because of these cabinets. So, and of course, the property condition is poor, and still high probability that this is a kitchen because of the presence of kitchen sink. And I think we were able to find some kitchen cabinets too. I
Brilliant.
mean, it's pretty cool. I mean, this is
Yeah.
just, I mean, the level of accuracy that we can provide for our real estate and mortgage customers is next to nothing. And this really helps them with their appraisals.
Right. This can be applied to interiors as well as exteriors of houses, correct?
Absolutely. I mean, to that point, let's look at let's run some images of exterior of in a house. Let's see. Do you have any key? Good. Like a house in, I'll just say house in Texas.
Sure. I'm in Texas.
There you go. Oh, that looks really good. Wow.
Hmm.
I wish houses were this cheap in the Bay Area.
I don't know any houses that look that nice at that price in my area, but sure
Uh,
they're somewhere. So that looks computer generated almost. Be
mm-hmm.
interesting to take a natural photo, maybe.
Uh, what about this? I mean, this looks very
Yeah.
sure.
Or
Well,
maybe we
I
could even
can.
look on Zillow, maybe. If you
Okay.
want. Let's try that Better Homes and Gardens one there on the top. Uh,
Which one?
the yellow one, yeah, that's a
Better.
good one. Or the one
Oh,
next
this
to it,
one.
either one. Yeah, those look good.
Okay. Let's maybe just provide this image URL that's easier. Okay. So again, pretty similar. I actually looked for a ranch. My key term was ranch style house because I mean that's what I think that's what we find in Texas, a lot of them. And if you look at the image tags, we're saying 99% probably this is a ranch house. So not only we tell it that it's a house, we can tell the type of house image that you're running.
That's
We
great.
even picked up, I think, some bicycles. I saw some things here. This is schoolhouse, but that's very low probability. Highest probability is that it's a ranch house. The property condition is excellent, as we can see from the image. And again, there's a front of a house, there's a porch, and there is possibility it's a backyard. Again, this is probably a front yard, but more importantly, it says that this is the front of the house. Okay. Let's look at some other images. I mean, do you want to do you have some keyword search in mind?
Let's do a house in California while we're at it.
House in California, why not? Yeah,
That one
yeah,
would be
this.
interesting, maybe.
Yeah, let's run this. Okay, I wish my
Wow,
Spanish
that's
was.
impressive.
Do you know what
Hacienda.
this means? Is that a
Hacienda.
house?
Yes, exactly.
Oh, I thought casa was a house, but
Casa is a
anyway.
house. I actually don't know what hacienda translates to, but casa is house. Hacienda maybe uh
Oh wow, a large estate.
large estate.
Okay,
Okay.
there you go. So, I mean, we try to be as specific as well, and we can be generic as well. I mean, this technology can give you a generic output like, hey, this is a house or a front of a house. But if or some of our customers who want to appraise and they want to put the house type as well, we try to figure that out as well. Excellent condition and 98% probability that this is a front of the house. So, so yeah, I mean, if you want, we can run some examples where the property condition is not as good as the ones we've been searching.
Yeah, let's try a poor quality exterior. That would be a
Yeah.
great last thing to try.
Mm-hmm. Good quality exterior.
Hmm.
Look pretty good. Pretty good. I mean, this is like bare bones. Yeah, let's maybe run this and see if I mean this is still in decent shape.
Yeah, it's standing.
Yeah, it's exactly. Okay. So there, never mind. Let's maybe pick another one.
Okay.
Okay, I
Hmm.
think my search term is probably
Yeah, maybe yeah, let's try that. That's good. Or destroyed house even might work.
yeah.
There's more
That's
like a shed than anything, but or the
that's
one
yeah. Oh, the first one?
first one or even the one below that.
Yeah. Copy link address. Yeah, maybe well let me try to save this as an image. Okay, these are not image files. Let me try to find an actual image file. Or as a PNG. Okay.
Wow, that was worth the wait.
Yeah. I think some issues with these URLs. So there you go.
There you
Uh,
go.
it's a shed in a poor condition, and the room that it's mainly front. It can also see some part of the backyard. That's why you see here. And we also figured out that there's some junk. So these are some
Wow.
cues that we generate for property appraisals and real estate property conditions.
Wow.
Mhm.
That's compelling.
Yeah.
Well, I guess we didn't stump the system today, but there's always tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Let the automation begin.